Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll be talking about Suganda's AHA serum. I've been trying it for a long time and I have done a 1 month challenge with this serum, and today in this video I'll be talking about its ingredients and its prolonged effects on my skin. If I talk about its packaging, it comes in a glass bottle, and if you can see, the bottle is half empty. Only this much amount of product is left, and it comes with a dropper inside, so you can use it very conveniently. See, every one of you know about the ingredients, but for me it's really essential to explain you the ingredients so that you can trust the brand completely. It has a minimal ingredient list. I'll show it on the screen, but for now I'll explain each and every ingredient to you. So as usual, the first ingredient is aqua, which is a solvent of the ingredients. Most of the products you will see the aqua as the first ingredient. Second ingredient is lactic acid. This particular formula has 10% of lactic acid, and lactic acid is an AHA that works as humectant and exfoliant both. So it's a very good formula and very mild formula for treating fine lines, wrinkles and hyperpigmentation. So you can feel a slight tingling sensation while using it, and it's very common while using lactic acid. Next ingredient they have added is glycerin, and as you all know, it's a super common natural moisturizer. Next ingredient is propylene glycol, which is a humectant and a solvent enhancer. It's a synthetic ingredient that is derived from petroleum products, and some people may have allergies with this propylene glycol. If you feel like an itchy rash is developing or the area where you have applied the product, that means you may have allergies with propylene glycol. Next they have added this sodium hydroxide. It's alkaline and it's added to maintain the pH of the product. The next ingredient is Camellia sinensis. It's a scientific name of green tea, and all of you know it's a great antioxidant, and there are different kind of green tea available in the market, and the quality difference is also huge. And according to a research, the color of the green tea is brown if it belongs to the high quality green tea, and I'm glad that this formula has this light brownish color, which shows that they have used a good quality green tea in it. And if you feel like that this AHA serum is somewhat oxidized, no, it's not oxidized. If it's brown in color, that means it has a good quality, because a green tea contains a lot of components and the component decides the quality of the green tea. So that means if it's brown in color, that means there is something rich in it. The next ingredient they have used is centella asiatica. It's a very common ingredient in the skincare, and you can find this ingredient in many vitamin C serums also. According to a research, this ingredient, the centella asiatica, has wound healing properties. It prevents the scarring in future blemishes. The next ingredient they have used is phenoxy ethanol. It's a preservative. The next ingredient is ethyl hexyl glycerine. In many formulas, like in serums, you will see phenoxy ethanol and ethyl hexyl glycerine together, because ethyl hexyl glycerine, this particular ingredient, boosts the effectiveness of phenoxy ethanol. The next ingredient is sodium hyaluronate. It's a sodium form of hyaluronic acid which acts as a sponge and locks the moisture into the skin. The last ingredient is xanthan gum, and it's a eco-certified ingredient and used as a thickener and emulsion stabilizer. So that's all about its ingredient list, and I have explained each and every ingredient to you, and now it's turn of my experience, that what I felt after using it. Okay, if I talk about its texture, it's brownie, and as you can see, it's not at all thick and it doesn't feel even sticky. It's very runny and absorbs very quickly into the skin. If If I talk about its effectiveness, so I have uploaded the before and after pictures of initial 15 days on my Instagram handle, and make sure that you follow me there so that you can have updates of day-to-day life. So in the early days, I could see the difference in the size of my pimples. It was decreasing, and there was a slight difference in the black spots too, and the skin texture was also improving day by day. I used this product on alternative days continuously for a month, and I didn't layer it with any other product except the moisturizer, which is like normal aloe vera gel. After using it a month, I realized that at one hand it was reducing the size of my old pimples, but on the other hand I was getting new bumps, and there was no end. Initially, there was very small, minute bumps, and after some time, it like changes to pimples, and I have some of them right now onto my face. So yeah, it was my experience, and this thing I have never ever encountered in my life. Personally, I didn't like the formula, and I know that skincare is subjective, but I wonder that my skin is familiar with all these ingredients, and still um, the results are like so negative, and it increases my problem instead of healing it. I have never expected these results, and since Diwali, I've changed my skincare routine. I switched back to my normal skincare routine, and now my skin is getting better day by day. I have a few more pimples, and I hope they will heal soon. And as I already told you that this bottle is almost half empty, only this much product is left. So I've almost completed a bottle, but not happy at all, and I'll not recommend anybody to use it. Lactic acid is supposed to be very mild ingredient, and sensitive people can also use it, but for me it didn't work. I'll not say that lactic acid is not working for me, because I have been using a lot of products that have these ingredients, and I am not at all allergic to any one of them. That's the reason why I always buy products after like going through the ingredient list. And guys, if it's also happening with you, so please tell me in the comment section. And I don't have any offense with the Suganda. I really love their niacinamide serum. I've also done a review, but this product, no, it's totally waste of money. And that's all for today's video, and I hope you find it helpful. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.